Hi, Chirp editor Jackie here, answering reader questions. Our first question comes by video from Chirp reader Anderson.
Hi Jackie, the editor. My name is Anderson. I am 6 years old. I want to know if Chirp is real. Thank you!
Great question, Anderson. Chirp lives in the pages of Chirp magazine and on his TV show and in our imaginations. But he was actually created by a real artist named Bob Kane. And Bob shares a lot of the same personality traits as Chirp. Bob is kind, a good listener, likes learning about animals and nature, and he loves telling silly jokes, just like Chirp. And I'm wondering if Chirp is also a little bit like you and your friends. Does your family have a question for the Chirp team? Send us a video or write us an email at chirp@owlkids.com.